Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to add the numbers. Addition means putting things together. First of all, in addition, numbers with the sum place value must be placed under each other. We must place the ones under ones and the tens under tens, the hundred under hundreds and the thousand under thousands, and so on. And we must add ones with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundred, thousand with thousands. To add numbers, we use the column format. For example, it is one digit number, it is one digit number, it is ones, it is ones. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Yes, 8 plus 7 equal to 15. It is digit numbers, it is one digit numbers, and it is one, it is one. It is this is right under this. 3 plus 6 9 1. It is two digit number, one digit number. This is one and right under this because both are ones. 6 plus 5 11. 11 write 1 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 2 3. 2 this is two digit number and this is two digit number. Ones tens. 3 plus 2 5. 3 plus 2 5. Next example, 65 plus 78. Two digit number. This is two digit number. This is two digit number. Ones tens. 5 plus 8 equal to 13. 13 write 3 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 7 14. Next example, 263 plus 25. It is three digit number, it is two digit number. Ones tens hundreds. Ones tens. 5 right under 3 because it is 1, it is 1. 2 right under 6, it is tens, it is tens. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. 2. Next example, 463 plus 781. It is three digit number, it is three digit number. 1 tens hundreds. 1 tens hundreds. 1 plus 3 4. 8 6 plus 8 14. 14 write 4 and 1 carry over next write the next column. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 7 12. Next example, 45,962 plus 54,782. It is five digit number. This five digits number. One, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 2 plus 2, 4. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 write 4 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 write 7 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 write 0 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, right? 1744. Final exam. 4,591 plus 328 plus 85 plus 2. 4 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, 2 digit number, 1 digit numbers. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9 plus 7, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 write 6 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 write 0 and 2 carry over, write the next column. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 write 0 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 4 is 5. Thank you for watching.